So through the intellect, then, we hear about spiritual reality, and now now our problem is how to transcend the intellect. How to experience reality without processing it sequentially through the left brain and nominalizing everything. How to transcend the Newtonian paradigm of reality. And so what we've been doing is giving the lectures backwards, and we find that's very effective. So we start with the ending of how things actually come about, and then the intellect figures out subsequently. Everything happens of its own nature. What you see happening is the consequence of the effect of that which you are within a given context, within an infinite context, which we'll cover with the slides. Everything comes about spontaneously as a consequence of that which it is. You can picture everything and everyone as though they're a magnetic field. This magnetic field draws to you that which is of your own level of consciousness. There's nothing out there causing anything at all. We see the downside of it in the broken window principle. The minute there's a broken factory window in a neighborhood, the energy goes out, we don't care, we're not responsible, and the whole neighborhood goes down. Nothing causes that to happen. It's just that energy attracts mice, cockroach, crime, drugs, prostitution, homicide, suicide, and degeneracy of one kind or another. Nothing is causing that to happen. The field is attracting it. So you become an energy field. As you let go of negativity, you are that field, and you draw to yourself that which is a consequence of the field. Everything comes about as potentiality becoming actuality. You have a potential, you put that in a powerful field, now the potential actualizes. Without the field, it's dormant. The seed lays there, then the rain, the warmth, and the sun comes. It doesn't force the seed to do anything, but the seed of its own propensity, because that's its karmic potential, now responds to favorable conditions, and it shines forth. Nothing is causing it to do that. It's not within the realm of cause. Phenomena then are the consequence of potentiality becoming actuality when the conditions are right because of the infinite power of the field. All that lives within an infinite field of infinite power. The slightest potentiality, when put into a field of infinite power, becomes an actuality. That is a consequence of divinity. Without divinity, you have to resort to the Newtonian paradigm of causality to explain phenomena.